In this video, I'm going to answer the question how to set up Stripe on HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry, Knoll, and in this particular video, I'm going to answer that question by actually giving you the answers to these three questions. Number one, how to integrate Stripe in HighLevel. Number two, how to import and or create products in HighLevel with Stripe, and how to add products to the sales pages in HighLevel. So we're going to hop out of here, go into my demo account, and when you're in your demo or your sub account, in this case my demo account, you will probably land here on the dashboard or likely be somewhere like this. Scroll all the way down to the bottom to settings and then go into integrations and then click on continue under Stripe, and then you're going to come over to payment integrations, right? So the other way you can also get there is going into payments and then integrations on the end, and then you can integrate Stripe. Obviously that's what we're working on today, but you can also integrate PayPal, Authorize.net, and NMI, and you can search for some others as well. So we're going to click this connect button next to Stripe, and then we're going to be on another page that says Stripe, connect with Stripe, a blue button. We're going to click on that. That's going to take us out to Stripe. And if you're already logged in, you're going to have the opportunity to see that your lead connector partners with Stripe for secure payments, and select the account you like to connect. So if you only have one account, you're only going to see one account. But if you have several accounts like I do, you're going to see several different accounts. And then you have the option also to create a new account at the very bottom, right? So you can pick any of the ones you have or create a brand new one if you so choose. So in this spot, I don't want to mess anything up, so I'm going to move back out of here, and assuming that we have our account connected correctly, I'm just going to show you what it's like inside of one of my other accounts. So I'm going to go over to my other sub account, and once you're actually connected, you're going to see something like this under Manage Payment Integration. Stripe live mode is enabled. Stripe test mode is enabled. Register domains for Apple Pay, we're not using that. We can also disconnect our integration. The other way you can verify if you're connected correctly is go back to into settings, then integrations, and then you'll see Stripe here again. If I click continue, it should show us manage over here like it does instead of connect. And if I click on manage, it should bring us back in this spot we were just in, which is correct. All right, from there we can go to products, right? So if we want to create a new product, we can do that. We can click on create product, and then we can create a brand new product. It'll create it in Stripe for us from our interface within HighLevel. So we can give it a product name, we can give it a description, we can add an image if we want to, or a video. We can add to a collection, we can charge tax on it if we want to. There's some additional options with statement descriptor. Then we have the most important part of the product, which is prices. So we have one time or recurring. Then you can put the amount in. You can have a compare at price. It says enter a value higher than your price to display a markdown. This price is shown with a strike through, which is cool. You can track inventory. Then there's additional options here. We can have price description. We can add a membership offer. So if you've created a membership or an offer, you can have it automatically add that, so it grants access to a particular membership offer when this particular product is purchased. We have variants. Then we have SEO, search engine listing. So we have SEO title, description, and a handle or a slug or URL or whatever you want to call it. So all that can be done. If you don't want to create anything, you can click discard. Once you've filled in the blanks, just click save, and it creates it just that quick. And then you have that product, like I have all these products listed here. The other thing you can do is also import from Stripe. So you can click on import from Stripe. So you would do this primarily if you're doing the white label version or the agency level, something where you have access to create specifically SaaS configurator, which is in the white label pro plan, so that you can create different plans, and then you would import those plans directly like this. So I could pick this plan, I can add a setup fee if I want to, and I can import the product and the price that I've created at the agency level, right, inside of the SaaS configurator. So that's how you import a product using Stripe. If I'm not going to actually do that right now, so I'm going to back out of that. So we have all these products created. The other thing I want to show you is under sites with funnels. We can go into any one of these funnels, and then we can go into any one of the sales pages itself. So let's say we're on this particular page, we can go to products, and we have products added already. But if we wanted to add another product, we click blue button, add a product, and then we can select any of our products that we want to add, and then we can add the price point of that product, and then we can add and edit. We can edit this product name. We cannot edit the price or the product itself from here, but we can edit the product name. We can display price display override. So if we want to show something else, sometimes we want to do that where we're like, okay, sale $29.95, regular price $49.95, or something like that. So you can do that. Then under additional options, if this is the main product, you leave it alone. If this was a bump product, you would select bump. And if you want to allow multiple quantities to be purchased, you would enable that and then put in the amount of maximum units per order. All right, so if you don't want that, just leave it disabled. If you don't want to change any of this because it's just going to be a main product on the sales page, then you don't have to go into additional options at all. And then you just click save, and it'll add it to the products. So you'll see now instead of 2 products, I have 3 products. And if I want to delete it or edit it, I can do that from here. I just click delete. If I want to delete it, I'll just delete it this way by typing delete, clicking delete, and it's now gone. So that's how you add products. All right, so this is a short and sweet video on how to set up Stripe inside of HighLevel. Thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you who watched this video. And as always, if you have any additional questions, please feel free to leave your questions below this video in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.